Today's the last day for the giveaway. Every mug you buy gets you automatically entered to win the turbocharged BMW. Click the link in the description, it's right there. To get these crisp turbocharged sounds, what we did is we put a cheap mic in the engine bay. What kind of mic is it? I don't know. It's one of those, Chinese knockoffs. It's like a $12 mic. Any sort of Amazon mic will do. We just found a place where it didn't rattle around, used electrical tape to tape down the wires. This is all this video is, just turbo noises. Enjoy.